All right, you guys, and welcome back. So the first thing we're gonna do on Miss For Real's bike is we're gonna install the skid plate. And as you see, I have the skid plate here. Here's your front fascia. We took it off of the Ryker. Now the thing about it is there's no holes or anything already for this skid plate. Like I said, for a rally, it would already have the holes on the side. So now we basically need to match up how we're gonna install this, which I did. I've already matched it up. And then you'll see some holes on that side, one hole. Basically, we're gonna mark on each side where that hole placement's gonna be, drill, and then we'll be able to set our skid plate. So let me go ahead and mark the holes, and then we'll go from there. By the way, it did come with a set of instructions. So just in case I missed something, here are the instructions. You can pause the video, take a screenshot, whatever. All right, so if I'm going step by step, basically I'm gonna wanna line up the skid plate, and I wanna go ahead and temporarily fasten it down here at the bottom. So at the bottom of your fascia, you have the two holes that you would have taken out. You would have taken some bolts out prior to when you took off your front fascia. It's gonna line up with these holes here. Basically gonna temporarily align it. That way you can get your hole alignment right for when you drill. So let's go ahead and do that. So now the second step is to get you a drill, a 732 drill bit, and you're basically gonna wanna drill a hole into the side on each side. Make sure you kind of mark your spots. That way you know kind of where you're gonna be at. And you're gonna drill you two holes. That way you can actually secure the skid plate to the front fascia. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we had no problems there. Very simple to drill into. Just looking at mine, I didn't necessarily have this 732. The one that I had looks like, and I bet I won't be able to focus on it, but I had like a 5. It says a 5 on here. So anyways, if you don't have necessarily a 732, then just make sure you get you one that is small enough, not overly big. See if I can't focus on this thing a little bit more. It's not letting me focus. But yeah, just don't get one that's way too big, that you would obviously know is too big, because then you're gonna mess up the whole thing. But this was a perfect size for me. Fits in there. The new screw is gonna fit in there perfect. So yeah, good size. All right, so let's get to the next step. So this is what's left. So looks like the washer with the little rubber, these right here, looks like it's gonna go maybe on the inside of this hole. Let me say it like this. It's gonna go on the inside through here. So you'll put this on the inside, your screw through, and then your nut on the very back side. Now, going based off these instructions here, install the skid plate, front fascia with the two smaller screws, your M5 screws. Then you got your M5 rubber washer, and then your M5 nut. Doesn't say anything about this little itty bitty washer, this just the silver washer. So, I don't know if I'm gonna mess with them too much. But anyways, simple, straightforward from here. Basically, screw the mother in. So that's what we're gonna do. And there we have it. Fairly simple install, not too many complications. It looks good. It is a nice accent piece for the front bumper or your front fascia. And yeah, I like it. So I hope that she's going to love it as much as I do. Very cool project, very simple project. Anybody can do it. So anyway, that is the skid plate for the front fascia. All that's left to do, unscrew those guys, put it back on the bike, and it's done. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. I'll be checking my comments all the time. Ryker fam, you already know. And if you don't know, now you know. It is a JD on 3, a JD Officials production. And we are out.